Good morning all of you. I am Razia Patel from Gnanmanji Vidyapith standard 4th. So students, today we will start unit number 1. In that unit we will start rounding of the nearest thousand. So rounding of the round of the given numbers to the nearest 10,000, 12,357. Now how will round of 10,000? So find the digit in the 10,000 place. That digit is the 1. Then second steps, locate the 1,000 digits. It's the less than 5. Locate the digits in the 10,000 less than 5. That we have to locate first. So if the 1,000 digits is less than 5, then the 10,000 digits will remain the same. The 1,000, 100, tens and ones digits will become a 0. Now look at here. Here is a 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7. 12,357 is there. So if we are round up that, so 10,000, this one is a 10,000. Digit says same. 10,000, 100, tens, ones digits will become a 0. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने 0 लिख दिया है. Then the nearest 1,000, 12,357. So here we have to is 10,000 is 10,000. Let's look another example. First of all, you have to look at this example, and this examples you have to write in your maths notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now next we'll check another example. Now 6,572 is there. So first of all we have to find the 1 is a 1,000 place. 1,000 is there. Now we have to check that the digit is less than 5 or not. So here is a 6. 6 is a greater than 5, not a less than 5. So if the 1,000 digit is equal to or more than 5, now more than 5 is there, add the 1 to the 10,000 digits. The 10,000, 100, tens and ones digits become 0. So we have to add here 1 more. Add 1, that means 2 is there. So here we have to write 20,000. The 1,000, 100, tens and ones digits become the 0 is there. So we have to write here 20,000. So in the last, the nearest 1,000 to 16,572 is the 20,000. 16,572 is the 20,000. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this example in your maths notebook. Okay students, now we'll check one more example here. Now round off the given number to nearest 10,000 places there. So here is a 4 examples are there. 74,812, 25,452, 37,125, 47,020. Now I'll give you half a minute, students. You have to write the answers. We'll check afterward answer. Okay. Okay students, now we'll check the answer. So nearest is the 17,000, 13,000, 14,000 and 15,000. This is the answer. I'll give you a half a minute. You have to write this answer in your maths notebook. Okay students, now I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start worksheet number 16 and 17. So we'll start that worksheet. I hope so work is complete, students. Students, we'll start standard 4th maths unit 1, worksheet number 16. In that worksheet, question number first is, first one question, round off the number to the nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. First one question is 74,185 is there. So nearest 10,000 is 17,000. B1. 13,265. 1,000 places less than 5, so we have to write here 13,000. C1 question, 77,402. Nearest 10 is 18,000, because of this 10,000 place is more than 5. 97,420. So next number is 1 lakhs, because of 97 is the more than 1 lakhs. Then 12,586. Nearest 1,000 place is the less than 5. So here we have to write 10,000. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this answer in your worksheet number 16. Okay students, now we'll start remaining sum. F1 74,532. Answer is 17,000. 43,613. Answer is 14,000. 79,845. Answer is 18,000. 62,107. Answer is 16,000. J1 sum. 32,214. Answer is 13,000. So students, now I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this answer in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet number 17. We'll start worksheet number 17. That worksheet is rounding of large number. Rounding of large numbers. So in that, question number first is round off the number to the nearest legs. अभी तक हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, 1000 को नियरेस्ट 1000 हम फाइंड कर रहे थे, बट नाउ विल फाइंड नियरेस्ट लेग्स. So in that, first one is 6,74,175. So here 1000 places more than 5. So answer is 7 lakhs. We have to write here 7 lakhs. Then 3,20,264. 1000 places less than 5. So here we have to write 3 lakhs. C1 question 7,17,402. So here we have to write 7 lakhs. Then D1 question 9,17,420. So answer is 9 lakhs. E1 question 1,12,586. Answer is 1 lakhs. F1 question 1,74,532. So answer is 2 lakhs. Nearest lakhs is 2 lakhs. G1 question 4,63,630. Nearest lakhs is 5 lakhs. H1 answer 7,89,845. Nearest lakhs is 8 lakhs. 6,22,107. Nearest lakhs is 6 lakhs. J1 sum 3,92,240. Nearest lakhs is 4 lakhs. Now students, I'll give you 1.5 minutes. You have to write this answer in your maths worksheet number 17. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next portion. Next portion is round off the number to nearest 10 lakhs. 74 lakhs, 80,000, 1 lakhs, 125 is there. So answer is 17 lakhs. 13 lakhs 26,556 is there. Nearest 10 is a 13 lakhs. 77 lakhs 14,112. Answer is 18 lakhs. 7 lakhs 42,120. Answer is 1 crore. 12 lakhs 15,586. Answer is 10 lakhs. 74 lakhs 53,762. Answer is 17 lakhs. 43 lakhs 61,983. Answer is 14,000. 34,079 lakhs 4 lakhs 9,845. Answer is 13,000. 96 lakhs 62,107. Answer is 1 crore. 87 lakhs 32,240. Answer is 90 lakhs is there. Now students, I'll give you 1.5 minutes. You have to write this in your workbook. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 16 and 17. That worksheet you have to complete it and send it to me, that worksheet, before 3 o'clock in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your work, and students you have to send the homework before 3 o'clock. That is your deadline. Your timing is before 3 o'clock you have to send the homework. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.